Yeah, you can see that this is the Blynk software, and this Blynk server I have put it in my PC. So in the my PC, this Blynk server is running. Now what I have to do, I have done the constructed my house. Um, Now I want to put all the electrical switches parallel to this IoT switch, and Blynk servers is a local server in my PC, so I don't have to pay any fee charges to the Blynk. These all are the at the free of the cost. And I want to in the my house there are 3 bedrooms, one hall, one kitchen. So I made the 5 set, and this all the 5 sets will be parallel to the switchboard. Because suppose that this is not working, even manually I can switch on and switch off. So I am keeping this all the switches in the parallel modes, so there will be no hurdle. Now I'll show you how it works. This is the Blynk app I put in the mobile. So this is the living room, as you can see it. So what I'll do, I'll switch on, switch up. This is the if you see, so it is getting on and off. So now this is the living room. Okay, this is the living room. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the another room, because this is the one room is working. Now I'll go to the next room, is the bedroom ground floor. Now I've turned this one. Now I'll try to switch on one by one. You see that this is the, so all are getting on. Suppose I want to switch off, same times I can go in the back mode. So all the switches getting off. So this is the bedroom ground floor. Now I'll go back. I'll go to the bedroom first floor. Bedroom first floor is there. Now I'll try this one. This is second one. This is third one. This is the fourth one, fifth one, sixth. So all are getting on. Same times I can, okay, let it to be on. Now what I'll do, I'll go back to the kitchen. This is a kitchen that also I did it. See that. So one by one it is getting on. All are getting on. Now you see that a kitchen is also working. Now I'll go to back to rooftop. I've given the name to the rooftop. Now I'll see. Now I'll turn. You see that this is getting on. So like that I can switch on one by one. So you can see that I have a 8 relays there in one. So 8 into 5, 40 relays are there. Still I can extend some more number of relays and can connect it, and the whole house will be we can automate also. We can use the timers. We can switch on, switch off at any time, any switch. Suppose you want to switch on TV, you want to switch on geyser, everything it can be. With the timer we can plan it and can program it in the mobile app. In Blynk app this facility is there, so you can do the programmings. So this is the fantastic things. If you are constructing the house and you want to automate your house, then please contact me. I am Dinesh from ISRO. Bangalore. Thank you.